Hello everyone, this is Gary and today we're doing another life skills video. Now the way in which these videos work is this. There are three sections. This first section gives you a broad outline of the subject and the topics that we'll be covering as part of that subject. The middle section then deals with the meat of the subject, the detail, and I found it best to do that through a series of slides. And then the final section is just a quick summary of what we have covered. Now, in case you miss anything, all the detail that you hear and that you see in this video is also set out in the description box below, and in addition there are some links to other relevant videos. So, having done the quick introduction, let's just get into it. Okay, so let's get into it. We are here talking about 3 money failures and their fixes. As always read. So, first thing is having no budget. In other words, you are failing to make a plan or a budget and to review it at least each year. And you are failing to budget or plan for your retirement. What's the fix? Well, the fix is to start by listing your income and expenses. As far as the future is concerned, well, the fix is to start saving for that future if possible. The sooner you start planning for that, the more likely it is to occur. The next thing is having just too much credit or debt. That happens because of the failing to use credit for cash flow only and to pay off your credit cards each month and to clear any other debts as soon as practicable. Now, I'm under no illusion that everyone needs to borrow money from time to time, but it's how you manage that debt and how you prioritise it along with your other spending. The fix is to clear off those credit cards monthly. If you can't manage it, get help and stop using them. As far as other debts are concerned, well, the fix is to prioritise clearing off those debts rather than spending your money on anything else. The next thing, the third failure, is that you just simply don't understand money, or you simply don't think you do. Because the truth is, it's not that complicated really. Failing really is to obtain income from a source or activity you understand and preferably like doing. And to invest time in learning how money works. And how do you fix those things? Well, you get help online from experts, from books, organisations, and you just take an interest. And the truth is, you don't focus on money, but on what makes you successful. And you will then find that the money will follow. In other words, find something you understand and will like doing. And it really is as simple as that. Okay, so I hope you found that life skills video useful and interesting. And as I've said before, all the detail which I've covered in this video is also set out to assist you in the description box below, and you will also see a number of links to other relevant life skills videos. Now all that's really left for me to say after that is that if you like this video, please mark it as a like, and if you wish to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. Finally then, let me just say thank you very much for watching this video, and bye for now.